As a consumer, you may have seen a term on your estimate called betterment. Now, understand that a betterment is something that is applied from your insurance, right? It has nothing that the shop has any control over. While they may be an advocate to help you to understand it, they have no control over it. That's part of your policy language. Also, understand that a betterment is an addition to your deductible. So, what is a betterment? Michael?
Yeah, so we deal with betterments a lot in our business, and essentially what it is when there's a wearable item on the vehicle that is damaged in your collision or as part of your claim, and the carrier or third-party payer needs to replace that, they're essentially accounting for the wear that's already taken place to that item. Best example I could probably give would be tires, right? We're all used to tires needing to be replaced in a collision repair environment, and many times those tires are worn, sometimes significantly. So carrier will document that. They'll account for whatever percentage they believe of wear has occurred, and they'll show that on the estimate separate from your deductible. It'll actually be listed as a betterment.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.